You having a great night? Well, we're going to continue with two set dances, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about them. These are the Humors of Bandon and St. Patrick's Day, and I actually learned both of these dances very recently from a wonderful dance collector and teacher and performer. He's Patrick O'Day. You may have heard of him. And so these are not the set dances that I did as a child growing up in step dancing. They're very, very intricate and very different, unusual, older versions of those steps and set to those tunes. So the Humors of Bandon and St. Patrick's Day, and I wanted to especially say thank you to Jimmy and Mick for dusting off these old tunes. They're the ones you kind of forget about, especially when you grow up in step dancing circles. Maybe you played them at feshes once or twice, or...
Oh, wait till we forget it midway through.
But I love learning new old versions, you know, and that's what these are. So thanks to both of these guys. I've known Mick since I was about 11 years old, I think. And I was growing up in Philadelphia dancing, step dancing, and some of the first gigs and festivals and concerts I went to outside of the world of Irish dance competition were Mick Maloney and the Green Fields of America with Jimmy as well. So thanks to both of these guys for decades, I can say, of great music and inspiration.